focus. Look. So this is the mama cat of the kittens. She's still, she's pretty thick. Huh. You're pretty thick. And this is the other cat that's legit the funniest. Muffin. Why? This one's a whiny butt. Fun about Muffin. Oh, Muffin's pretty. If you actually see her in real life, oh my. Why? I know. And my iPad can focus. Oh, there's the belly. Give me that belly. This one's cute. This one's cute. I have more cats. I have more cats somewhere. I don't know where they are. I just have this one, which is a mess. This one is a mess. This one just sleeps and eats. And this one meows all day because she wants to go inside, but she can't. Okay, I'm gonna stop this.